Imagine yourself walking down a dark canyon, the weight of guilt making each step harder. Now, listen to the soft voice that echoes from on high. Blessed is he whose transgression is forgiven, whose sin is covered. Feel the breeze that sweeps the inner stones of your heart, the freedom that arises when you admit your failure. Look up and let go of the veil of shame. The dynamism of this psalm invites us to three essential movements. Acknowledge the weight. When I kept silent about my sins, my bones grew old. Here we are challenged to face the inner reality. Pretending that nothing happened only deepens our anguish. Honesty breaks the ice that paralyzes the soul. Open your mouth in confession. I confessed my sin to you, and you forgave the iniquity of my heart. There is power in speaking. Each syllable of repentance is a spark that rekindles the flame of grace. Allow yourself the relief of letting it all out, without fear of divine judgment. Dance in the joy of forgiveness. You are my hiding place. You will preserve me from trouble. Free yourself. The Lord surrounds us with songs of deliverance. Joy is not just a feeling. It is a status achieved by the redeeming blood. Raise your arms, move your body, and celebrate the healing that only He can offer.